Your company is offering you a flexible spending account, or FSA. Your FSA lasts a full calendar year, and you must incur expenses during the year in order to be eligible for reimbursement. An FSA is funded by your salary deferrals and possibly, in some cases, your company's contributions. So, how does an FSA work? At the beginning of the plan year, you determine how much you would like to contribute to your FSA based on what medical or dependent care expenses may be expected. That contribution amount is then divided evenly into regular payroll deductions throughout the year. How much can be contributed each year? For dependent care FSAs, there is a limit of $5,000. For medical FSAs, maximum contribution amounts are typically set by the company. When you incur a qualified expense, such as filling a prescription or a monthly daycare bill, you can either use a debit card linked to your FSA or submit a reimbursement request along with the receipt. Reimbursement requests can be made as many times as needed. Please contact your HR representative for more information on reimbursement and claim processing.